race number 11, penultimate race, and the race is on. Speed Bullet, the favorite, jumps quick out of the gate, Scarab by the row. And racing on the outside, Something New Reality Show, Tiago, Risk Taker, and You Belong to Me is the early trailer. Back to the leader, Speed Bullet by about 2 lengths, Scarab in second. Something New racing on the outside, third, Reality Show, Tiago racing in fifth by another 2 lengths. Risk Taker is running by the rail, and You Belong to Me still running at the tail of the field. And rounding the far turn, the favorite, Speed Bullet, this time by about 4 lengths. Something New in second, Reality Show, and Tiago is running by the Scarab. Risk Taker and You Belong to Me is still running at the back of the pack as they race towards the last 350. Speed Bullet still leading by about 6 lengths now. Reality Show in second, Tiago, Something New, Risk Taker, You Belong to Me, Scarab, and nearing the finish line. Better go down and collect, or is in the bag for entry number 4 is Speed Bullet. Second, You Belong to Me, Reality Show, Risk Taker, and Something New for your Fentafect.